Hi everyone, welcome back to Vedantu guys. This is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Chaudhary, and I welcome you all to our channel Vedantu Commerce. So tell me, how are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Come on, tell me कैसे हो आप लोग? So I hope that everyone is well and you all are taking care of yourself. And if you guys are new to our channel or if you're watching our classes for the first time, then please take a minute to subscribe our channel, to hit that red icon so that you can watch more such live classes with us. And please do like the video, please do hit the like button. एग्जाम्स कभी ना कभी तो होने हैं रेनू, सो उसमें घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है. Be prepared for it and be positive. Everything will be good. And wishing you all the best. So I hope that all of you have liked the video and you all have hit the thumbs up button and have shared it as well. Now, as you all know, we also have a Telegram group. So if you want to receive all our updates about our sessions, about our notes on time, then you can join us on Telegram as well, because we are sharing everything on Telegram. So do check out our Telegram group, and you can also check out the description box because we have provided the link in the description box. Let's go. We definitely accounts की preparation नहीं हुई, then watch our classes. हमारी classes देखो और preparation करो. Hi Neelam. So as you all know, this is class 11th accountancy session, and we are going to continue this very important chapter today, financial statement. So आज हम ये chapter continue करेंगे. In the last class, we have started this chapter with trading account. In previous class, we have done trading account with proper examples, and I hope that all of you have watched that class. So in this class, what we will be doing, we will be doing profit and loss account. But before that, we will first discuss this homework. I gave this question in the previous class as homework. So how many of you have tried this? किसने homework किया था? Raise your hands. Hi, lovely. A very good evening. नीलम, सॉरी मेरे को आपका मैसेज नहीं मिला. मैंने आपका मैसेज ढूंढने की कोशिश करी, but I didn't got it. Hi, उजाला. Very good evening. Hi, नूर. Okay, lovely ने homework किया. You have tried the question. What about others? Did you try this question, yes or no? Have you completed the homework? Hi, Rashi. Okay, Ujala also tried it. Great. Hi, Arihant. So in this question, we were required to prepare trading account. हमें क्या बनाना था? Trading account. So let's prepare it now. We will prepare trading account. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. In the trading account, we will first record the opening stock 1600. We will first record opening stock 1600. Hi Sachin. After recording the opening stock, you will record the purchases. Two purchases It is 2000. Then capital is recorded in the balance sheet. Drawings are recorded in the balance sheet. Plant and machinery, it is recorded in the balance sheet. Vehicle, these are assets again in the balance sheet. Debtors, creditor, they all are recorded in balance sheet. Sales. Sales is recorded on the credit side of trading account. We will record sales, that is 4200. Then wages. We will record wages because it is a direct expense. So wages on the debit side 800. Then cash at bank is asset. It will be recorded in the balance sheet. Salary is indirect expense. Indirect expense is recorded in P&L. Repairs indirect, record in P&L. Rent indirect, record in P&L. Manufacturing expenses, it is a direct expense. So you will record manufacturing expenses. It is 150 rupees. We will record manufacturing expenses. Then bill payable is a liability, record in balance sheet. Bad debt, indirect expense, record in P&L. Then we have carriage. Carriage is a direct expense. So we will record carriage. It is 160. So we have recorded only few items. We have recorded purchases, sales, wages, stock, manufacturing expense, and carriage. These are the 6 items that will be recorded in the trading account. Then there is one adjustment. Closing stock is given 1600. So we will record closing stock also on the credit side, and it is 1600. So this is your trading account. Now we have recorded everything. So it's now the time to do the total. You will do the total of both the sides. Do the total of credit side. 4200 plus 1600. It is 5800. Then you will do the total of debit side. 1600 plus 2000 plus 800 plus 150 plus 160. The total is 4710. 4710 rupees. Now the credit side is clearly more than the debit side. 5800 is more than 4710 rupees. So the balancing figure 1090 rupees. This is what? This is your gross profit. So this was the answer. You are required to prepare this account in your homework, and here you guys can see the solution. The gross profit is 1090. And here we have some names of these scholars. So well done and congratulations to these all students. Well done Raj Lakshmi. Well done Yusra, Lovely and Manas. Congratulations everyone. Great job. You all have done a very good job. You all have calculated the correct answer. A huge round of applause for all of you. Now let's begin with today's session. चलिए आज की क्लास शुरू करते हैं. And as you all know, in this session we will learn how to calculate the net profit. How to calculate the net profit by preparing profit and loss account by preparing P&L account. You're welcome, Lovely. So are you guys ready for this session? Yes or no? Hi Pallavi, how are you? Are we ready for today's session? Yes, Noor, okay. What about others? बाकी सारे अभी तक रेडी नहीं है क्या? Lovely, right now my CA preparation was affected by my job, so I am leaving the organization on 31st of March so that I can fully focus on my CA preparation. So my last working day is 31st of March. क्लास 12 का न्यू सेशन कब से शुरू होगा? फ्रॉम फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अप्रैल, मे बी 5th of or 6th of April. Okay, so we all are ready. So let's start it now. Let's begin the session now without any delay. चलिए क्लास को शुरू करते हैं with the format of P&L account. Now, let's discuss some points first of all. When we talk about P&L account, it is again a nominal account. P&L account is also a nominal account, and hence you will debit all expenses and losses, and you will credit all the income and gains. Then, in the trading account, we have recorded only direct expense and direct income. In trading account, we recorded only direct expenses and direct income. Now, in the P&L account, we will be recording all other expenses and all other income which are not recorded in trading account. Which are not recorded in trading account. तो यहाँ पर हम वो सारे खर्चे, वो सारी इनकम रिकॉर्ड करेंगे जो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुई. It means in profit and loss account, we record indirect expenses, indirect income. In P&L account, we will record indirect expenses and indirect income. So this is all about profit and loss account. It is a nominal account. We will record direct expenses and direct income, and we are preparing P&L account so that we can find out the net profit or net loss. Okay, Neelam. It's okay, Noor. I will be back after my CA preparation. No guys, I won't teach you in class 12. मैं आपको 12th में नहीं पढ़ाऊंगी. Hi Leena. Okay, so now it's time to see the format of P&L account. So the format is same as trading account. First we will have a particulars column, then we will have amount column, then particulars, then amount. Let me make it again. Here we have particulars, then we have amount, then again we have particulars, and then again we have amount. Now the most important thing, the first step is to transfer the gross profit or gross loss. Whatever you have calculated in the trading account, either it was gross profit or gross loss, that will be now transferred to profit and loss account. So if it was gross profit, then you will record it on the credit side. If you have calculated gross profit in the trading account, then you will write it down on the credit side. If it was gross loss, then you will write it down on the debit side. So first we have to note down the gross profit or gross loss. And after writing gross profit or gross loss, you will record other expenses and other income. So on debit side, we will record all the indirect expenses. On the debit side, we will record all the indirect expenses: bed debt, depreciation, salary, rent, carriage outward, etc., etc. And on the credit side, we will record all the indirect income: discount received, commission received, interest received. All the indirect income will be recorded on the credit side. And last but not the least, the balancing figure will be either net profit or net loss. If credit side is more, the balancing figure will be net profit. But if debit side is more, the balancing figure will be net loss. So this is how the profit and loss account is prepared. First, carry down the gross profit and gross loss. After then you will record the indirect income, indirect expenses. And then the balancing figure will be either net profit or net loss. Don't worry, Noor. Other teachers will be teaching you at my place and they will also teach you in the best way. मेरे से भी अच्छे टीचर मिलेंगे मेरे बाद. Lovely. We will gonna miss you. I am also going to miss you all so much. It's okay, Sarah. So here we have the format of P&L account. As you can see, we have written gross profit, we have written gross loss. It is transferred from trading account. Hi, Veerpal. Then we have recorded all the indirect expenses. We have recorded all the indirect expenses. Salary, rent, postage and telegram, office electric charges, telephone charges, printing and stationery, carriage outward, advertisement, commission, insurance, bed debt, depreciation, repairs, interest. These all are indirect. And we will record on the credit side interest received, discount received, commission received, bed debt recovered. These all are indirect income. And after recording all these items, you will do the total of both the sides and the balancing figure will be either net profit or net loss. And this profit, this loss will be transferred to capital. Net profit is added to capital, but net loss is subtracted from capital. The net profit is added to capital and net loss is subtracted from capital. Hi Swati, a very good evening. Thank you Pallavi. आपकी याद तो आएगी ना, उसका क्या, उसके लिए I'm always there on my Instagram handle. I am there on my YouTube channel. I am there on my Instagram, so you can always reach out to me. Yes, Abhishek? What's your doubt? Now, if you guys are facing any of the problems and you want to revise the entire term 2 syllabus with me this month, then you all can join my special accountancy crash course where I will be helping you in revision of all the chapters. So, what you will be getting in these crash courses? क्या मिलेगा आपको इन crash courses में? First, you will get all the live classes. We will be conducting live interactive sessions and all the classes will be recorded for future. So that if you want to revise anything, then you can see those recorded classes. Then we will provide you notes. After every session, you will be getting notes so that again you can revise the topic. Then you can ask unlimited doubts by downloading our mobile app. If you are taking the crash course, then you can also ask doubts on our mobile app. So what you guys are waiting for? If you want to revise the term 2 syllabus again with me, then enroll for this course now at only rupees 1350. You have to only pay 1350 rupees for the entire syllabus. And you can also get flat 10% discount by using my code SCPRO. So this is my code which you can use to enroll these courses at flat 10% discount. So let me show you the link for these courses. What you have to do is आपको description box check करना है. This is the description box. So in the description box, there is an emoji of hand and this is the link, special accountancy crash course for class 11. I'll give you my Instagram handle in a minute. Please give me a minute. Then I'll give you my Instagram ID. So when you visit the link, you will come to our website and then you have to scroll down. And from here, you can choose your plan. You can take Pro Light or you can take Pro Classic also. Now you must be thinking, what is the difference between these two courses? So in Pro Light, you can only ask doubt during class. But if you want to ask doubts on the mobile app, then this is not available in Pro Light. It is only available in Pro Classic. So this is the major difference between Pro Light and Pro Classic. So what you guys are waiting for? If you want interactive live classes with me for revision, then do enroll now for the special accountancy crash course at only rupees 1350. So we are going to miss you. I am also going to miss you a lot, guys. Talking about my Instagram ID is Sheetal Chaudhary 12. Sheetal Chaudhary 12. Now coming on to our another topic. So now we will be solving some questions so that we can get an idea how the questions will be coming in your final exam. So are you guys ready to solve these practical questions? Yes, 12 November is my birthday date. So are we ready to solve practical questions? Yes or no? Come on, tell me. Yes, super duper ready. Great. Okay, so here we have the first question. It is the first question, not the second one. So, what we have to do in this question, you have to prepare a profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2005. The information is given to you using which we have to make the profit and loss account. So let's make it now. I will get disappear. First, we will draw the format, particulars. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. This is your P&L account. Now, first item that is given to us is gross profit. We know that gross profit is recorded on the credit side by GP 3,12,000. Next, we have salary. Salary is indirect expense. So you will record salary on the debit side, 96,000. Then carriage outward. Carriage outward is again indirect expense. So it will be recorded on the debit side, to carriage outward, 10,000. Then we have rent. It is a indirect expense. So record on the debit side, to rent, 72,000. Then discount allowed. It is again an indirect expense. So recorded on the debit side, to discount allowed, 8,000. And plant and machinery is an asset. It will be recorded in the balance sheet, not in the P&L account. Furniture is again an asset. It will be recorded in the balance sheet, not in the P&L account. Closing stock is recorded in the trading account, not in the profit and loss account. So we will record only these 5 items in the P&L. Now you will do the total of both the sides. So total of debit side, 96,000 plus 10,000 plus 80,000. It will be 1,86,000. Total of credit side is clearly given, 3,12,000. So the difference, 3,12,000 minus 1,86,000. The difference, 1,26,000, is your net profit. This is what? This is your net profit, which will be added to the capital. So this is your profit and loss account. Let me show you the answer. Here we have it. Hi Sophia, I am all good. What about you? So is this question clear to everyone? Hi Yusra, I was waiting for you. Is this question clear to all of you? Yes or no? Sorry, here we have the solution. Makhan clear? Great. Okay, so now let me introduce all of you to our awesome class teachers for accountancy. Those who will be teaching you next year. तो मिलाते हैं टीचर से जो आपको अगली साल पढ़ाने वाले हैं. Here we have Nirav sir, who is a teacher for accountancy. Nirav sir has more than 8 years of teaching experience and he had taught more than 8,000 students. And he also got thousands of students successfully clear CA foundation exam. And he believes do what fills your heart with happiness. Then we have another awesome teacher, Shreeraj sir, who will be again teaching you accountancy. So Shreeraj sir has more than 11 years of teaching experience. He had taught more than 10,000 students. And he also held teacher training sessions for reputed institutions. And he believed, don't buy hurt, give all your hurt. So, Sparsh, next year I will be not there. I will be leaving the organization on 31st March. So, next year these teachers will be teaching you. So, that's all for today, guys. We have completed profit and loss account, but that was without adjustment. In the next class, we will be covering the balance sheet and then we will start the main part of the chapter, that is adjustments. That will be coming in your exam for sure. So now it's time for the homework and this question is your homework. You have to do this in the homework and let's see how many of you are able to give me the answer in the chat box. So last time, Lovely, there was other students also, Lovely and all. Lovely, Yusra. Those students have answered in the chat box and now I am expecting more answers. So do try this question and comment the answer. Comment the profit in the account, in the chat box. And you have to prepare P&L account. You have to prepare P&L account, not trading account. अरे art artist ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There are teachers who are better than me, who are good than me, so don't worry. Sparsh, this is a good question because in this we have depreciation, unpaid rent also. So let's see how many of you are going to guess it correct. I will be waiting for your answers in the chat box. Okay, lovely. And if you guys have any doubts, then you can reach out to me on Instagram. I am always there to help you out in all your doubts. तो किसी को भी कोई भी डाउट आता है तो you can always reach out to me. I am always there. Now, in the next lecture, we will be learning about balance sheet. And now next class will be on Monday at 9 p.m. So stay tuned for the next session on Monday. And in case you guys are tense regarding your syllabus, you are not able to solve the practical questions or you are not able to practice questions as per your term 2, then you can join our special accountancy crash course which is available for both 11th and 12th. तो आप ये special crash course join कर सकते हो जहां पर हम आपको term 2 की revision अच्छे से कराएंगे. And it is available for only 1,350 rupees at such an affordable price. So you can use my code SCPRO to get flat 10% off on all the courses. Sparsh, my ID is Sheetal Chaudhary 12. So that's it for today's session, guys. And now, if you guys are new to our channel or if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please take a moment to hit that red icon. Do subscribe our channel now. And now I will see you all in the next class. But yes, if you have not joined our Telegram group yet, then do join it. Do join it for all the updates, for all the notes. So now bye bye. Good night. Have sweet dreams. We'll see you all on Monday at 9 p.m. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. So thank you everyone. Thank you once again for joining this session. Now we'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye.